We are living in a really important historical time at the moment, being locked indoors with COVID-19 or coronavirus. So, you are going to make a booklet which will be part of a time capsule. Now, a time capsule is information that you record about something and that you keep for a very, very, very long time to tell people in the future about something in history. So, this will be a booklet about your experience that maybe one day you will show to your children or possibly even your grandchildren, who knows. This is what you're going to do. You need to look at the document on this page and try to print it. Okay, you take the front cover here and you can colour it and make it look nice. It says My 2020 COVID-19 Time Capsule, and here is your name, by, and you write your name here. On the second page, it says you are living, oops, let's move this out the way so you can see. You are living through history right now. Take a moment to fill in these pages for your future self to look back on. And here are some other ideas of things to include. Some photos from this time, a journal or a diary of your days, local newspaper pages or clippings, any artwork you created, family or pet pictures, and any special memories, okay? So these are ideas for things that you can put in your booklet in addition to the pages that we're going to print and do together. Here it says, draw a picture of the people you are social distancing with here. You can either draw a picture or if you want, you can glue a photo here to show the people who you are having to stay at home with. On the next page, we have all about me. It says, I am years old. You put your age here. I stand inches tall. So inches we change into centimetres. You say how tall you are. I weigh, here pounds, but we're going to say kilos, how many kilos you weigh. And here you put your shoe size. Here it talks about my favourites. My favourite toy, so you can write or draw your favourite toy here. Colour, animal, food, show on TV, movie, book, activity, place, and song. Here you write your best friends. Let's move this out the way. And then here it says, when I grow up, I want to be, and here you write the job that you would like to do when you grow up, and at the bottom you write the date. And here's the last page. On this page it says, you are not stuck at home, you are safe at home. And it says here what I am doing to keep busy. I want you to fill 3 of these sections with things that you are doing at home to stop you getting bored and keep busy. And then I want you to think of 3 other things that you would like to do or you want to do or you're going to do at home to keep busy. And you do 3 sections with new things that you're going to do to keep busy. And you just draw a picture of the different things that you can do at home to keep busy in here. It's very important that you do this work as soon as possible because you need to bring it to the lesson on Friday, the live lesson, and we're all going to have a look at our booklets and see how we're going on Friday. Okay, if you really have a problem and you can't print this, then you can take some plain white paper and you can draw something similar and complete it at home. Okay, bye-bye for now.